Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to log out of Amazon account in the Amazon shopping application. Logging out of your Amazon account is important for account security, especially if you are using a shared device. First of all, launch open Amazon shopping application on your device, and then from the home page, tap on the three horizontal menu button at the bottom right corner. Scroll all the way down from the menu button and you will see three different options that says Switch Accounts, Sign Out, and Customer Service. Tap on the Sign Out button to log out of your account, and in the pop-up, confirm by tapping on Sign Out once again. Soon after you do that, you'll be redirected to the main home page, logged out of your account. Once signed out, your Amazon account is safe and cannot be accessed by anyone else on that device. Remember to log out after using public or shared device to protect your personal information and shopping history. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.